Vocal shortcuts is a super handy accessibility feature that allows you to activate specific actions using custom phrases. While this new feature has already won a lot of hearts on iOS 18 due to impressive functionality and efficiency, it has gone a bit quiet on macOS 15. If you want to make use of vocal shortcuts on your Mac, let me help you get started. So first off, you have to click on the Apple menu located at the top left corner of the screen and choose System Settings in the drop-down menu. Now scroll down a bit and choose Accessibility in the left sidebar. Then go to the Speech section and select Vocal Shortcuts. After that, click on the Setup button. Then click on Continue. After that, select the preferred action that you want to trigger. You can choose Siri shortcut, trigger a particular Siri request with a custom phrase, and even invoke live speech with a shortcut. For the purpose of this guide, I am going to select live speech. For those unfamiliar, live speech allows you to speak aloud directly into supported apps like FaceTime. Then click on Continue. After that, you have to enter the custom phrase through which you want to activate live speech on your Mac and hit Continue. And finally, you have to verify this custom phrase by speaking it 3 times, and that's about it. From now onward, you'll be able to activate live speech on your Mac by just saying live, just like this. Super handy, isn't it? If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy macOS tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.